Hi, welcome back to Benny's Corner. So it's hailing right now, if you can't hear, and we're here with the baguette. You okay? This is what it sounds like. Oh my god, it flashed. Fuck the lightning. Oh my god. So we're trying to do a cute little study sesh. And our cars are outside. I'm outside with my car and it's okay, which is good, but the ice is fucking huge. Here's a photo. Fuck you. Wee wee.
Wee wee eyes, wee wee eyes. Look at it all. Fuck, it's huge.
I just got locked out. No. Wee wee. Wee wee. Wee wee wee. Wee wee. Look at wee wee. I will spit on your car.